Hi everyone, just a short video. One thing I just noticed, this happened to the van when it was parked outside the garage waiting to be fixed. There's a crack, that's not lined up and the whole bumper's shifted. Somebody reversed into it. A couple of days back I posted a video but it was a bit too much, so we're going to split it into three. Just a quick plan of action for the next couple of weeks. The van needs new brake lanes on the front, that's going to be done, and following that there's going to be quite a few videos about this. It's a 1972 Volkswagen Beetle 1300. Starts and runs. I'll try to show that in the next videos. And after we finish with that, or maybe even whilst we are doing something with the Beetle, after this is finished, after the T4 is done, we're going to have a look at this, because that's been standing in the garage for a while. But again, that's a story for another video. I'll try to do a little introduction of, what it is, where it came from, what happened with it. Obviously, we all know what it is. It's a T2 camper, 1972 as well. But that's going to be in following videos. See you soon.